guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled this wig on my head. I got this hair from CurlyMe hair. From CurlyMe hair. All the information for this hair will be on the description, in the description box below. So this is a 24-inch glueless, I think the closure wig. I'm going to have all the specific details like floating across the screen, but yeah, this is a straight wig, so the hair was straight as you can tell, but I put layers in it and just a little bit of waves. So this hair, like I said, is one of their glueless wigs. So this wig comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, everything really done for you. The only thing you have to do is slide on this wig and style it to however you want to. So the inside of the wig looks like this. As you can see, they have the pre-cut lace for you, so you don't have to cut any lace. And you can also see by the coloring that it's bleached. The inside of the wig has the elastic band right here with the non-slip grip, so it wouldn't slip off of your head. And it also has removable combs at the back and on the sides here if you don't want combs. And yeah, this is just the construction of the wig. It's on a dome cap. So overall the wig is constructed really well. Inside of the box looks like this. So you get a 𝐻-𝐂𝐀𝐏 wig. So you have a 𝐻-𝐂𝐀𝐏 wig kit inside of the box, which comes with another elastic band and some other combs in case you lose yours or anything like that. And then it comes with a care card like this, and then here it says like pull, and this is where you have your like edge brush, some lashes, you have what is this, wig cap, and another care card. It comes with a dust bag to keep your wig in that looks like this. And then it also comes with a wig band, but I already used it because I already installed my hair, but the wig band looks like this. You'll see it a little bit later. So that is all the contents of this box. So if you want to see how I installed and styled this hair, then you got to keep on watching. Okay, so I just slid that wig cap on and off. And I decided I'm not going, not wig cap, child, the dang bonnet. But so I decided I'm not going to use a wig cap for this install because my forehead is big enough. Already looks like it's big enough. Okay, so I'm just going to slide the wig on my head and install it without a wig cap because of how sheer the hairline is. Like if I were to use a wig cap, you would see it, like, because this hair is plucked so well that you would be able to see that wig cap. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just make it look seamless. I don't want to have no problems. So look, as soon as I put this on, you see, like, and of course I'm gonna fix the sides, but that like disappears. Like it just, you see what I'm saying? Like the hairline is immaculate as soon as I put it on. Now I am going to use this comb, but this fits real comfortably, and the only thing I had to do was slide it on my head. Like, do you see how flat this is already? Like it is super flat and super straight. And the texture is really silky. Like honestly, I'm kind of embarrassed, but it's really not much styling to do. Like if you wanted to wear it like this, you could. I am gonna go ahead and like tailor it a little bit, add a little razzle dazzle, but I mean, this one comes prepared and ready. All right, so now that this is installed, like I said, I'm going to just style it to my preference. If you don't like baby hairs, adult hairs, whatever you want to call them, you by all means do not have to do this part. Please feel free to not do something you don't want to do. But me, I love a good baby hair look. I have not outgrown that yet. I don't care how old I am right now. I want some baby hairs. So I'm just going to part that out. And then what I like is because the hairline is plucked so well, it makes it that much easier to do your baby hairs, honestly. Like when the wig is plucked good, everything else looks good. Now I'm just using my 𝐒𝐀 style gel per usual. for a video when this is just so effortless? Like, I didn't have to do nothing but put it on and do some edges. What else am I supposed to do? Straightening it is a breeze. Did I even flat iron it? Like, okay, so I'm warming up my flat iron so I can go in and like straighten it a little bit, but it's already straight. I guess I'll add some more layers. I'm like, what do I do with this? It's already done. Like, the hair is already done. Now let me take this off. How my little baby hair got messed up. Okay. Wow. This is so flat. This is crazy to me. Like, I don't think I've ever had a wig be this flat straight out the box. Like, I think I'm gonna put some curls in it. It's just so plain. Like, yeah, it's bone straight and it's cute. If you want to wear it bone straight, this is what it looks like. But I don't know what's wrong with me today. I want to add some pizzazz to the hair. But if you're not a pizzazz type of person, here you go. This is it. It was that simple. Like, literally, and it's that simple and that silky. Look. I didn't have to do nothing. So like I said, I decided I'm gonna put some waves in this. Like, it's cute straight, but I wanna put a little body wave in it. Like, we know what straight hair looks like. So let's see how this hair holds a curl and how it does with styling. I'm just gonna re-wrap my edges because this is a glueless wig. So when I go tugging on it, it's gonna go like slipping and sliding in the front, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna put my little, this thing back on. I gotta get my nails done, y'all. But I'm gonna put this back on. I should have just left it wrapped the first time, but honestly, I didn't know that I was gonna wanna curl it. Like, whenever I get like jet straight hair like this, like, I never get the urge to curl it, you know, cause I like wearing it straight. But for some reason with this hair, I just wanted to throw a curl, and not even like a whole complicated curl, just like a little wave or something to help frame my face. You know what I'm saying? So that is what I'm gonna do. So again, I wasn't trying to make the curls anything special. I really just wanted to see what it looked like, to be honest. So let me take this off and just finger through the curls. I mean, some layers. Do this side. I'm just cutting layers and body waves, layers and body waves. I keep saying that. And here we are. Just wanted it short around the front. Like so, like that. So it's still straight, but just put a little body wave to it. This I like a lot better. It's just, you know, not just straight, and then I have my little layers in the front. I just take this little bristle brush and I can like brush it backwards like this. and then push it forward and it makes it fluffy and full. I like this. What I was going for. Thank you. Anyways, you guys, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.